Today I'm going to try a bunch of viral kitchen tools on the internet and telling you guys if it's worth it or is it a scam. I love collecting these tools in the house, but this time my friend actually is the one who ordered it and I'm going to open it blindly to see what's inside. So I'm actually very excited. Let's go! Do you ever heard of Scrub Daddy? I heard about it all the time. I have never touched it in my whole life. This is a Scrub Daddy. It's soft and it's wet already. And it is good for swiping all of the dirt, like in corner. Here we have a very dirty corner here. Oh wow. Wow. Ooh, you can rinse it quite easily too. It's actually pretty cool. Normally, we use this called Schwammtucher. When you wet it, it's literally do the same job like this thing. The only thing is this, it lasts for like a week. Maybe because it's from Scrub Daddy, I think it's gonna last longer, but I see the idea. I like the idea. I would rate this product 7 out of 10. We have this giant box here. It's a window cleaner! I'm just a bit skeptical because I have the best window cleaner in the world at home. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I think this is from a German company called Krake. This is German quality, you guys. I don't know where the hell this is from, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be as good as this. We bought it, I think, 5 years ago. Let's pretend this is a mirror, okay? The way it works is this. Here they have like some liquid, they also sell it some liquid. And then you spray it on the mirror. You clean it. And now the mirror is clean but it's wet. And this is basically a vacuum cleaner, a water vacuum cleaner. A suck all of the water out. So I'm going to put water in here now. You could put some window cleaning soap in there as well. But at the moment, we're just gonna test it like this. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Now you're going to suck it, and this one doesn't have battery. Okay, update. I cannot turn this on. I charged it, I waited, I'm being more patient than usual, and it is just not turned on no matter what I did. So yeah, I am strongly assume that it's broken, and I am honestly not surprised anyway. Very disappointed. 0 out of 10. Give me back my money. Next we have this magic brush that is clearly opened already. It's poorly built. What the hell is this? You know what? I do have a nasty sink. Maybe I could try to clean it with this. So they have like different head for me, so I can scrub it around. Maybe this is a good idea, you guys. I'm sorry, I was being too critical. I see the future. Let me try this out, guys. As you can see, we have a fairly dirty sink with very hard to clean dirt. Now I'm gonna use this machine to wash it. So this is the sink after cleaning with the machine. As you can see, literally nothing changed. They also have different head like this one. Here is my verdict. I think this is very useless because, as you can see, it just is not that strong. Basically, they just stuck this piece of thingy together. I can easily buy this outside for like 50 cents. And my hand is stronger. I can scrub it harder with this. So why am I using a machine when it's weaker? It doesn't help me at all. I like the idea. I think it's fun to clean with it for like a second, but I would never use it. I would never like buy this willingly to use it at home. 3 out of 10. Next thing, please. Cleaning brush. Didn't I just have it before? Is it like a better version of the other cleaning brush? What am I gonna do with this? What is this? It doesn't even fit. What is this poorly made thing? First of all, compliment. I like that they are super smart with the design. This is actually how my hand would go when I clean something. So I find the design pretty smart this way. So I think it is trying to be like a 4-in-1 product, but it's okay. So here's why I have a problem with this product. I'm fine with the design. I think this holding thingy might work, but the thingy here is low in quality. Like for example, this thingy, it cannot beat my €1 IKEA thingy. This one is way harder and it could brush stuff. This is super soft. It's like hair brushing thingy. How are you gonna clean things out of this? This is impossible to clean anything. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but that's why people have like specialized these things. They don't have all of them in ones because they all sucks. I don't need all of them in ones. I need each of them to work. And at the moment, these are not working. Like look how cheap this is. It's not even sticking in there. Let me try to. Okay, like, is it gonna give me more strength or something? Because I could literally do the same like this. And it's gonna be even better. No. Confusing, weird innovation, 1 out of 10. I already knew what this is. This is a shoe cleaning floor. Do you have this problem? You hate cleaning the floor, but you have to clean it all the time. So instead of vacuum it, why just turn yourself into the vacuum cleaner? That's what properly they pitch for this idea. For science, let's test it out with some water then. Oopsie! The floor is wet! Don't worry, my shoe is also a swiper. Woo! Woo! Now my feet is wet. It feels disgusting. I'm telling you, this is the dumbest, stupidest idea anyone have the audacity to make. 0 out of 10. Okay, next product. I know what this is and I don't like it. I don't want to use it. Oh, it's a pipe cleaner. Like the thought of me putting this thing down to the pipe is really repulsive. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna use this. This is the real frustration of how frustrated I am with the experience so far. I'm not gonna go down to the pipe, dig this thing in, just to realize that it's not gonna work. And then I have all of the gunk out of the pipe. And it's not even all of the gunk anyway. So I'm sorry, but this is a hard no. I don't have like a pipe where I can get this thingy here that easy anyway. You know how do we take care of our hose and pipe when it's stuck? We put like some powder in it. That's supposed to dissolve everything in 24 hours. And it worked like a charm. No need to dig out anything, we just dissolve them like a criminal. Alrighty, next item. This very angry lady. What is she good for? It's a microwave cleaner. First of all, just want to let you know, my microwave is spotless. Why? Because every time I use it, I have something to cover the outside. It couldn't splash into the microwave. So this for me is useless personally. But if someone have a nasty microwave, maybe it could be something to try out. Let's test it out. So they said fill with the vinegar until here and then the water until here. I'm just gonna put her hair back, and the steam is supposed to come out of here, and then we can clean the microwave easily, hopefully. 3 to 5 minutes. There was a lot of steam here. No way. It works, you guys. Like, I see the idea, I see the point, it looks cute. And if you actually have a nasty microwave, definitely buy this. I would rate it 6 out of 10. This is a keyboard cleaner. So this is my laptop. I don't know if you can see the gunk on it, but it is pretty dirty, I would say. As much as I want to try this interesting cleaning product, I'm not sure how safe it is. It looks too slimy and gooey to be So this is the slime, and you're supposed to roll it on my very expensive keyboard. Guys, it works! It's make my keyboard clean! I mean, honestly, my keyboard is really dirty, so a quick clean like this doesn't help much, but wow! I really like the texture. It's like a stress ball, you guys. But shouldn't they give us like a box or something to hold this? I mean, I can just save it for the next use like this. 4 out of 10. Simply because I don't see the reason to use it. Okay guys, so I think we tried enough items for today. To be honest, it was fun, but I cannot handle one more failed tools anymore. That was too much. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video then. Bye bye.